So the receiver, just plugged it in. I replaced the line cord because it was pretty rough shape. And I brought it up slow with the variac and dim bulb tester, and put a speaker and an antenna, and she's receiving. She's pretty accurate. Approximately 3788 on this VFO. Well, on my 5000, it's 3788 right on the nose. And this is reading, you take 3.6 plus 180, 188.5, and you get 3788.5 some-ish. So it's pretty accurate considering. BFO is a little squeaky, a little weird, but and then the S meter was not working. So there's a dirty pot inside, so it looks like just some cleaning and some recapping where needed. This will be pretty good shape. So that's where we're at. This is the receiver. This is the Collins 75S-3.